Here's my room. Whew, I arrived. Good morning, everyone. Day 2 of my trip here. I'm so happy that I was able to sleep in a bed last night. That whole plane ride thing was a little bit crazy. I did have some jet lag. I woke up at like 2 in the morning, 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning. It was hard getting sleep, but the bed was really comfortable. It was nice. Yesterday, we went out to a beer house with my coworkers, and we were able to have some yummy food. I had this pork. Um, I can't pronounce it right. It's gouache or something like that. And it was, yeah, it was delicious. I think I'm gonna be eating a lot on this trip. Right now, I'm gonna be going downstairs to go get some breakfast at the hotel restaurant. Supposedly, it's really good, and it's included with this hotel. So yeah, let's go on out. So one of the challenges I have with this whole trip is that there's just so much things to do and so much content to capture. I'm not gonna have too much time to edit things, so I am challenging myself to film as much as I can with as minimum edits as I can. So, some of the stuff might just be like really quick edits. I'm trying to just edit within like 10-15 minutes if I can. Yeah, today is gonna be a busy day, going to a lot of different places, so looking forward to all that. Yeah, we'll see what happens today. I'm still going in and out of being really sleepy to really energetic. It's really weird with jet lag.